Hey you guys, this is your girl Natalie, also known as Trinity. So today I'm gonna be turning that hot girl summer into a hot girl fall, okay? For hot girl fall, it's all about skin, it's all about moisture, it's all about drinking your water and minding your business, okay? Today we're gonna transform ourselves. Y'all gonna see what I'm starting with. And y'all already see where we headed. If you have not done so yet, please hit the subscribe button. Please hit on any one of my playlists where you can see how I style my hair or how I create different looks. Without further ado, let's jump right into this hot girl fall makeup tutorial. First off, I wanted to take note of these glasses. These glasses were sent to me by firmoo.com, FIRMOO.com. For the daily going to work and so forth, I do wear glasses. These glasses, you can choose your prescription. In addition, you can choose to thin down your lens. You can make them anti-scratch. You can make them anti-glare. If you're looking for some cheap, affordable glasses, or like I do have my more expensive glasses that I got from my eye store. I get tired of wearing the same old glasses day after day over and over. So that's when I like to shop like at websites like this, because I get to like try different styles. Glasses I tried out a style, if you guys can see. It's like dark brown at the top, and the bottom it's like a nude peach shade, and I really like it. They got glasses for like $12, $20, super cheap. I've actually been wearing them all the time. Good looking out. Alright, so I think the first thing that's gonna actually go as I transform myself are the glasses. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in my contacts, and I'll be back. Alright you guys, so first things first, we gotta get this face hot girl fall ready. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and do brows as per usual. That is the first step that I do in my makeup. So I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. I use it in the color chocolate.
Trinity again. Call all your friends, tell all your friends, call all your friends. I only wanna wild with you, I only wanna dance with you.
Alright, so now that eyebrows are done, let's go into this skin. I'm gonna be trying some items that I got in my November boxy charm, okay? So one of the things that I got was this Kypress antioxidant dew. This is a quench and glow serum. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple drops of this on my face. This bad boy retails for $90, okay, and it was in my boxy charm. Let that sink in. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my skin while I do my eyeshadow, just so my face can get some tender love and affection as it waits for me to get to it. Hold on, we gonna get there. I like to bring mostly anything that I do on my face down my neck. Now we're gonna go into the Celestial Thunder by Dominique Cosmetics palette, which was given in the November boxy charm, and the palette is really pretty. This is what it looks like. So to prime my eyelids, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Makeup Revolution concealer in the number 12. It's very thick, and it's like one of the lighter shades of concealer that I have. So now we're gonna go into that orange. Ooh, I love a good orange shadow. So when I saw those two orange shadows in this palette, I was like, oh no, this palette is for me.
Do sometime, girl, like a star, you shine, girl, like she looks so fine, girl. I try to find somebody like you, with a waistline just like you, but no matter what
now that I'm finished with the eyes, I'm gonna get into face. I already used that elixir as kind of like my moisturizer. I've actually been liking this Touch and Soul No Pore Blem Prime Essence. It's just like a priming water. I've been liking it. I've been enjoying it. Using really light products these days, I'm going to go ahead and use the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Longwear Foundation in the same shade that I use in the matte foundation, which is 420. And I'm going to go ahead and use one of these BoxyCharm kind of complexion brushes that we received in the November Boxy. Brush is very soft. It's nice. I don't know. These kind of brushes aren't my fave to use. I still prefer my Juvia's Place foundation brush if I am going to use a foundation brush and not a sponge. But this is doing the job pretty well as well. So now I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Concealer in 385. Your lover, so consumed by jealousy, I wish that he was me, but I gotta wait patiently, waiting for my turn, cause for you alone, girl, my body yearns. So when they play my song, can be the waistline, I wait to know, no, no. I only wanna ride with you, I only wanna dance with you, I only wanna go with you, I only wanna grab. So now to set that, I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty powder. This is in the shade Kunafa. This is my first time using this, but I've heard so much great things about it. Just tapping off any excess. Oh, the color is already. This powder has a really like fragrant smell. I don't mind the smell. I'm not opposed to it. If you don't like makeup with scents, you might not like it because it's pretty strong, but it smells fine to me. And off the bat, I'm loving the yellow in the powder. This reminds me of when I used to use my Sacha Buttercup powder. The only reason I stopped using Sacha Buttercup powder was because it just started to get a little too drying under my eye for some reason. Overall, under my eyes are pretty like smooth and stuff like that, which is great. Let's add some face powder. This is L'Oreal as usual, and go ahead and bring some color back into my face. Now that I went ahead and added my regular facial powder, I'm actually feeling the look up under my eye. That yellow is kind of giving me life. So let's go ahead and add some Morphe bronzer in the color Romance. This is, I don't know, I went to go Google to try to find me another one of these bronzers, and I was not seeing the shade Romance. So they better don't play, okay? Next time I go look for this, it better have it, because this thing is clutch. I'm going to go ahead and snatch up this nose because it's hot girl fall, like. I don't know, y'all. I think I was sleeping on Miss Huda, but I think I'm awake now, honey. Honestly, it was because I really liked Laura, and I'm a type of person when it comes to makeup that is like, if it ain't broken, don't fix it, okay? So it wasn't broken, so why fix it? And it still wasn't broken. I still love Laura, but I just wanted to try something new, which so far so good. We just gotta see how it lasts, because that's the thing about Laura. Laura lasts, girl. She don't go nowhere on your face. Let's go get some blush now. Let's do a little Lancome highlight today. I got this Punk Voluminizer mascara. So let's see how volumizing it is. This is actually pretty good, this mascara. Look at it. Low-key, high-key. Mascara. No mascara. Can't even see my lashes over here because of the liner. What color lips am I gonna put on? Thinking nude, a new Kat Von D lippy. This is just a regular gel deep taupe liner. Very creamy. Is it even for lips? Because it's super creamy. This is liner, but it's gonna be for lips today. Okay. I actually want to put my mole Hot Girl Fall-ish. I actually have a natural mole. I just like to draw it back on because the foundation covers it. FYI. Yep. This is Ophelia by Kat Von D. Hot girl fall. Hey. Hot girl fall. I think I need some gloss. Because Kat Von D lippies are super dry. Super dry. Girl fall, so you know you gotta, It's a hot girl fall, so you know you gotta, Put on some of this So Juicy ColourPop Plumping Gloss. This is in the shade For the Clout, but they are pretty much sheer if you ask me. Juicy for the fall. Alright you guys, so that's going to complete this video. As you guys can see, we have transformed, honey, from, you know, regular little work day to what we drinking, what we eating, what we sipping, what we doing tonight. Like, what are we really doing tonight? Because you're going to look way too good to stay in the house, okay? I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button on any one of my other videos. I have playlists all set already for you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Deuces.